Welcome to Session 27 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today, we study function model selection. The focus is to choose between linear, quadratic, polynomial, rational, exponential, and logarithmic models based on pattern and context. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Match constant differences with linear models. 2. Match constant second differences with quadratic models. 3. Match constant ratios with exponential models. Model selection is educated matching, not guessing. Look at the pattern of change, the context, and the restrictions before choosing a function family. Constant first differences suggest linear models. Constant second differences suggest quadratics. Constant ratios suggest exponentials.
Consider x values 0, 1, 2, 3, with y values 5, 10, 20, 40. The outputs do not add a constant amount. They multiply by 2 each step. That suggests the exponential model, y equals 5 times 2 to the x. By contrast, values 3, 7, 13, 21 have first differences 4, 6, 8, and second differences 2, 2, so they suggest a quadratic model. Context matters too. A fixed starting fee plus a constant charge per unit is usually linear. Repeated percent growth or decay is exponential. Average cost as total cost divided by number of items may create a rational model. The story should agree with the pattern. Your turn. Outputs 2, 6, 18, 54. Suggest what model type. Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these 3 tasks. Copy the model from the lesson. Solve each one fresh. And write 1 error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Constant first differences suggest a linear model. Constant second differences suggest a quadratic model. Constant ratios suggest an exponential model. Context and domain can confirm or reject a model choice. Before moving on, write 1 sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video, and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.